Mr. McKendrick.
Hello, Mr. Gobber.
Yeah. What do we have here?
Well, we've got this is the milling plant in operation.
Ah.
The raw rice we put in here. So it goes in here.
Yeah.
The husk is then taken off. The husk is taken off. Then it's polished, and then finally it comes out here. As the finished rice. And you lose approximately 40% of the grain in this process. And the waste product goes out of here through the wall, and that's your bran. It's like bran. At the moment, we're hoping this plant will produce about 4 or 5 tons a day of finished rice, which is what we're happy with at the moment. That's with one shift. So if we have it working 24 hours, that's one 8-hour shift. So in 24 hours we can produce maybe 12 tons a day. Okay, thank you.